Did I do it?
Did I do it?
How am I supposed to apply this? I know I look like a joker. I'm so scared. Don't try this at home. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So first and foremost, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that because I have been creating 3 videos per week. So if you want to see some beauty, fun content 3 times a week, make sure you subscribe and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. And now coming to today's video, I'm sure you have read the title by now. Just to give you guys a brief, I'm going to be doing a fun beauty challenge where I have to do my makeup in a complete reverse order. It's strange, but it sounds fun, and that's why I decided to do it. I was watching one of the Nikki tutorials video where I found this idea and I thought it would be fun to do for my channel as well. But I think I'm clearly in trouble because just 2 minutes back I made the order in which I have to do this makeup routine and it was clearly a mess. To be honest, I'm a little nervous, but now that I've decided, I'm definitely gonna do this. So without making this intro any longer, let's just dive right into the video. Okay, so my usual makeup routine starts from primer, foundation, concealer, powder, and then eyebrows, contour, blush, eyeshadow, liner, mascara, lashes, lipstick, and then highlighter. But today it's gonna be completely reverse. So basically I have to start my makeup from lipstick and then highlighter and then so on. It's gonna be super fun. I'm really nervous as I told you, but let's give it a shot. First and foremost, I'm gonna just push my hair back so they don't get in my way. Already I'm so nervous. Okay, so starting from lipstick, I don't know which lipstick to apply because I usually decide my lip shade according to my eye makeup. But playing safe, I'm applying my most favorite lipstick from Miss Clear. This is in the shade number 21. This almost goes with every kind of look, so that's why I'm going to apply this today. Oh my god, my face looks so weird. My pigmentation has increased like anything, and with this bare face, this lipstick looks really weird. So the next step is highlighter. Now usually I apply a powder highlighter because obviously I'm done with my base, but today I'm gonna go for the liquid highlighter because this can be used as in the base as well. So just trying to play smart.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
All the products will be linked in the description box down below, so you can check it out. I'm basically applying a little extra because I have to apply foundation later on, so there's a possibility that they will try to pop out. So that's why just going a little extra today. So I was clearly forgetting the steps, so I've written the steps over here and I've just realized I've made the mistake in the beginning itself. Lipstick is my second last step and highlighter is my last step in my usual makeup routine, but I think it will not make a difference, so let's just ignore that. Okay, so the next step is super weird, lashes. I have no clue how am I supposed to do my eye makeup with my lashes on, but chalo, let's do it. Lashes which I'm using are from Nykaa. I will again add all the products in the info box. You can check it out. Again, I usually decide my lashes according to my eye makeup, but these seem to go well with every kind of makeup, so I'm kind of using them today. I think I'm going to apply my lashes off camera because it's a task which I don't think I can do on camera right now. But if you want me to make a video on how to apply lashes by yourself with long nails, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make that video for you guys. So just in a second, let's just try to do one transition. 1, 2, and 3. Did I do it? Did I do it?
Did I do it?
Please tell me I did it. Because the lashes are done. I wish I didn't have to apply eyeshadow after this, but let's see how it goes. Coming, the next step is mascara. Using this one from Maybelline. It's their Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. Not gonna apply too much, but yes, little bit. The next step is liner. So again, playing safe using Lakme's Insta liner. My go-to liner these days. I absolutely love this liner. Oh my god, it is so difficult. How am I supposed to apply this? Please guys, forgive me for all the weird faces that I'm about to make. Okay, let's do it. And now God only knows how am I gonna apply the eyeshadow. So I am gonna use this palette from NYX Cosmetics. It's a soft and rosy eyeshadow palette. It's got really nice, safe colors for me right now. Moving on, I'm gonna apply blush. Finally, some powder on my face. So I'm applying this one from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me blush. I really like this. I know I look like a joker. Oh, but fingers crossed. Next step is to contour, and I'm using the contouring palette from Wet n Wild. You know what guys, this is a time when I'm realizing the importance of powders. How much I miss loose powder. I've got eyebrows to do, so using my all-time favorite Brow Girl Brow Definer from Nykaa. And now finally my favorite loose powder. But I'm super scared क्योंकि इसके बाद मुझे concealer लगाना है, पता नहीं कैसे. So I'm using this from Maybelline Fit Me again, one of my favorite loose powders. Feels like I'm feeding water to my skin. It was super thirsty, literally. For concealer, I'm using this from Wet n Wild. I'm so scared. Powder के ऊपर concealer. Never ever tried this before. And guys, don't try this at home. Almost towards the end. Foundation is what we have next. So I'm going to apply this foundation from Milani. Again, it's one of my favorite foundation. But lagaun kahan foundation? I have no clue. Let's just start from the bottom. I'm done with the foundation and also my primer. The camera kind of stopped recording in between, so I'll just show you the product which I used. This is from Smashbox. It is their primer water. I kind of played smart here as well because I didn't use those cream based primers. It would have spoiled my makeup completely, so I used this one. It is also a setting spray, so I'm glad I used it. And yeah, this is the final look and I'm quite happy with the way this look has turned out. Kind of relieved. I did a pretty decent job with the challenge, and also I think I can definitely step out with this look. It's not that bad. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about this look, about this challenge. Also, if you have more of such beauty challenges or any beauty video requests, please feel free to comment down below. And yeah, this is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Please hit the like button, subscribe button and also the bell button because I've been making 3 beauty videos per week. So you don't want to miss those videos out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.